Yo, yo. Alrighty. We're back on the Westie. We're going to get a reduction rebuild box. Can't chop. We're doing the reduction boxes. I should probably go make some coffee before I do this. I think I need some. So we got the parts here. We're going to put it back together. Get it back on the wheels. Get it out of the shop because we got a synchro coming in that needs a wheel bearing. And just in case you guys were wondering, which I'm sure you were, I still have a doggy. And she barks. Still. After all these weeks, my dog is still here and still barking. And will continue to do so. Yeah, she just has a lot to say. Cleaning out the coffee from this morning. I drink a lot of coffee. I really like coffee. It's super tasty. Not really a big caffeine guy in the sense of that I like coffee for caffeine. Just like it because it's coffee. Also $2 coffee. Axle and then assemble it. Torque these old bad biscuits. They actually take a lot of torque, these guys. 42 foot-pounds. That's just a lot. Boom. It's a little weird because I haven't attached this back to the spring plate yet. I'm just going to temporarily attach it to roll like we need new spring plates on this bad guy. So I lost my 14 mil socket, and now I have two 17 mil deep sockets. This thing blind, I don't know if you see the jam. I don't know what's going on. Well, I tried to makeshift head cam on that part, didn't go. So, you just missed that whole part, but that's okay. Wasn't that exciting? Y'all know how to do brakes. Okay, on to the next side. Back on this side and put the drum on, and that's she's ready for wheels.
Just pull the radio and you're tuning into a vibe.
Got the transmission back in. We're gonna lower it down off the lift. Yeah, it's pretty, yeah, of course I got the transmission back in. Sorry, I forget where I'm at in the stage. Got everything buttoned back up, reduction boxes are put together, so we're ready to lower it down. Hey, watch out. And we're gonna go ahead and torque these wheels. And we're chilling. Put some fluid in there. But yeah, pretty cool. Not too bad of a reduction job. Build job. We'll see how everything fares. But I think it should fare pretty well. She's back on the ground. Let's torque this bitch up. Okay. Grab the old big bar. Hold the emergency brake. Brakes need some work on this guy. You can't see me, I'm out of frame. I'm gonna chop these wheels here. Yeah. For a second I thought I broke my last freaking bar. What is that? Okay. What did I do with the hammer after the tool? What I do with it? What I do with it? Yeah. How many of you guys use tools on a regular basis? It's over here with the collection tools. In a very, very obvious spot. Lose it, but it's just gonna be temporary because I gotta do some brake cylinders and stuff that I don't have right now. Okay. Alrighty. Done with this job for now. We'll definitely be seeing more of the 66 Westy, but yeah, we're gonna get this out, pull the synchro in on to the next, so stay tuned for the next video. Synchro Westfalia. Oh, Synchro Westfalia Weekender Edition. Okay. Well, Westies done for now. Synchro Westies next. Stay tuned.